Sama notable dollar and again get the bar for inside the level. Of course, you know as a matter they go. Make it for no loss, make it for no cost. I mean no bless swag, but keep monkey or monkey should be on my fly. We buzz back and start this beautiful Monday, September 13, 2021. Of course, I just 8 minutes and up past 4 o'clock for Lagos. Gra Gra Express, Naija FM 2.7. Don't forget say that's 7 day very important. As it be now, and I know say yes, so Monday like this and Nollywood Monday, but if you want out today, it's not a year something. You know, say I always they give 1,000 recharge card to you when they listen to us. If you guess that particular person and that particular film, where we say the person art for the level, but guess what kind guys where we say they are like to see that one place, and of course they'll be the rave of everywhere, especially from the eastern block of Nigeria and the whole ground. We're not gonna understand. Mr. Madu, all of that we say that the year, so man I know now people that show come up play, and of course we'll still do some kind of small phone call. We'll talk a little talk, and they're very excited because I personally invite them and say they must come here for inside the matter, make it for the loss. But I hear one song where we say my brother, my friend, J1 actually sing when we take open inside Gra Gra Express, and of course that J1 song, but that we call Inside Live. The people there for inside, now the people they call the one and only, or rather the two and only obiligbo. They're inside the building right now, and of course that we want to talk to from inside the studio. Welcome on enter my studio. I want to pull this thing down more for the here where I made for the loss, made for the cost. Umu. What do obiligbo mean? The first question I want to ask you now, come on play.
Obiligbo means the children of obiligbo.
But smart that yes, so I got my people that they hear for the background. Let's finish all of that today. The children of obiligbo, and I'm not gonna lie you, just which they hear soon physically for the first time. I did very excited because I don't hear from my men, the major men, all of the everybody all the way from on our side, on the Zoro, all the Iblis, you know, all the Mr. Raw, you know, all they tell me boy about this level. And my brother, my friend, and J1, he do something with una for that side, and of course I can say like Gaga, he can even do something with una for that side. But the thing we can even trip me past, we say for people we say una no been dey Lagos like that, the way the rain, the storm, the tsunami, wanna take blow, come say even men with it for Lagos, they're gonna hear so boy get some two boys. So we say, oh boy, forget to, and they'll be the hottest thing right now for the East, and of course their song they mix with everything, they make sense for the matter. I said, man, this thing it makes sense. So I need to really ask you. I'm gonna ask your brother. Una be brothers?
Yeah, sure.
The same papa, the same mama.
Yeah.
Okay. You your own. Which name you they use? Your normal name. Something obiligbo. What's the name? I don't hear you. I don't hear. Bozo. There you now.
Akunwafo.
Oh, join. I feel pronounce it, but I go take time to practice for the matter. So I go ask you this una songs. I mean this una craft. Una they do. How long una don't start this matter?
We started 2012 January.
Yeah, January 2012.
No, carry the mic near your mouth. Nobody hear you. That's it. Yeah. You started when?
January 2012.
12. Wow. Yeah. That was some time. That's about 9 years ago. And but before that time, when I don't ever stay Lagos, I mean I just east on a base.
Yeah, for that time we east we base. Yeah.
Okay, of course. As of that time, I know say Flavor never to take where Flavor really start to come out then, because I remember Flavor CD, that time I CD they use. Now maybe the first person we bring Flavor CD come Naija FM, where that in first CD we in play that time. I think it was about that same time or just before that time for the level. And we can also say on the Flavor, where Flavor they bring come out based on the Igbo enchanting music. Now it don't spread right. When now we say even people like the Zoro and this person they don't sing right now at the matter they be that time when I did for East. People don't really know now well, like as they take no Flavor. I mean, almost like the same time all of us start.
You know that 2012 where we started this journey. No be say everybody knows that time.
Okay.
And now with time, you know, we dropped our first album that 2012.
Wow.
Yeah. The album was made up of 4 tracks, but each of the tracks is about 15 minutes. So we are doing it before.
Okay. When I do them like the high life type of long track.
Yes,
okay. Not be lying, not be lying.
That's the first album that we dropped.
That one are for una Eastern fans that they like all those kind of level.
Exactly.
Oh boy, Beer Palo go off, they all sold out too. Come on, play. I hear you guy.
So that 2012, not be everybody knows that time. Not be everybody.
Okay, so now as it be, what it can be that level will be say all of a sudden, it be like say anybody advise you or advise sooner, say una good though, but not be by 15 minutes track we want now. We got to do 3 minutes, 2 minutes, 3.5 minutes track, and I get to blend them with where they happen for Lagos. Around what time when I can make that decision?
That was 2018.
At that time, yeah.
It was ending of that year, 2018. Yeah, that's when we started doing it this way now.
Okay, who be the people? I really like this one story because I don't go understand what it mean for not to make noise. A lot of artists don't come out from Lagos, or any other place. They try to force some to make the noise. The way I say the obiligbo click, una no force some. The breeze blow come.
We don't need to force some.
A blow come, and when people hear them, you hear from this person talk, say, these guys. You hear these guys. You hear these guys. It's a boss brain, especially for those of us who are for inside the entertainment industry, where they want to know what it happen. So when that matter the blow come, if I ask you, una not be twins, shall?
No,
one senior, one.
Yeah.
With like 2 years.
Yeah.
How many years? 2 years.
Yeah.
They say like that. And come boss that level. Then who be those people where una fit tell me now, say una be the roll with, we don't actually establish themselves for Lagos? Because I don't go lie, you first person who I go actually put for hand will make that major breakthrough for this new generation and people like Flavor. Abel is on there with us since, and my man be that one, We still get Zoro. Zoro, another story.
Yeah.
Zoro, I just watched in video 042. Let I go. As I watch 042, thank God, say for the end of the video, he can put in Twitter handle. So now I DM Zoro, say make he call me. So I know say Naija FM they play 042 like with the plan. I say tomorrow no they come again. You understand? And I want to take push people like Zoro enter the world space. But una come in under people like them, like Gaga and them, the J1. And so who be those people who are actually they roll with as of that time where they open on an eye to say una must come, decide we don't establish for here.
Yeah.
This is not the time to give shout out to.
That's what I'm trying to do. A very big shout out to Flavor.
Okay.
Flavor, yeah. He's the one that called us and he made us know that this our sound can go anywhere, not just in the
guess
East,
that's much.
That we can modernize it and make it go far more than what we are doing, what we are doing before. So I will say that Flavor is the brain behind it. Yeah, he nurtured us. He let us know that production matters, even if you're not putting much English in the song, for production matter.
With the music, with the mego. Go ahead, I hear you now.
So he taught us a lot. Yeah, so big shout out to Mr. Flavor.
Okay, now that's big. Like, we'll go back a little bit before 2012. As brothers, what be that thing we inspire una or what make una think? Because what you're about to say now what thing go inspire any other person we feel say Bobs, which way I want go for this matter. Yeah. And now everybody hear about obiligbo say from nowhere, or what I mean from somewhere inside the East, they just bust out the day everywhere now. What be that thing where inspire una to enter music for you to believe, say Bobs, this music I want to swear, or where we want to swear, we go make them. What you give una that inspiration apart from Flavor can't shoot mouth enter?
Yeah, no. Before we started this journey, that was 2012. Let me give you a short story. Our grandfather was a musician. Very big musician. That obiligbo.
Okay, that's for the East, Abby.
Yeah.
So I'm from Edo State too. My wife not from Anambra, but I'm sure to know the East history like that. So there's somebody they call, that's your grandfather.
Yeah.
Way who grand for music. Wow. Go on.
So after him, our father took over. So
your daddy took over for the music. Oh boy. So generational thing, so.
we don't force ourselves into music. It's just that the thing they our family. Even without putting your mind on it, it must come to your way, and you must
not be lie. It must not be lie. Not be lie.
It's like something that some family has some kind of people like what they are known for is
music.
Taking care of deity.
Okay. Some
their
ancestors.
type some that kind of
they
thing.
follow up,
so
yeah.
for our own now.
Some
our
now
own
doctors,
music.
lawyers, now music.
Yeah.
What you guys to talk about, my brother?
Yeah, everything of me.
I don't say one don't talk. You don't talk for 12 hours. But I don't get 12 hours. I don't think they sit that one place at the same time. We must get different experience. You understand? So for your own, what do you think about the whole level? Now you call our myself Bobs, but we join as one. Why not be like say? What's your name again? So look,
Yeah,
Okwozo, that your owner.
Akwafo.
Why is it Akwafo? You go do this one. You go do this one. When you bring money from this side, me bring money from this side. It go be that una come baby too. One I know take that decision from the beginning. Why come say una come together as one. Not be so that be P Square.
Since our childhood, me and my brother.
We have been doing like this. We are doing things together.
Okay.
From our childhood, we wear the same clothes, same shoes, everything. Not that we are twins. So
Yes, even
we are
December
not.
period. If
Una carry the same girl too.
No. We not go that side. No.
We scatter everywhere. And they like all these joint doings. Go out.
Just that the vibes. Our vibes are like the same thing.
Okay.
We do things together. And
nice one.
Believe me, it's.
No, you want to say something. You want to say something.
No, I want to say this. December period like this. If my mom buy
clothes for us,
same thing. If you didn't buy
sugar,
the mic.
won't work.
Put the mic there. I want to hear you because I don't see your voice now, singing voice. You know they shut their head. They hear you now.
Okay, yeah.
You say if your mom buy shoe for you,
Yeah.
you not buy for them.
No, she must buy the same shoe.
Same.
Yeah.
Blind so that mom, that blind so that twins, they look for sister.
No, be so. Just that she noticed that we are doing our thing
together. You know, me I get twin boys, so I look and say as they born you first, you give them a small gap when they come born you. Blind say the way now two of you gonna call they grow together. Mom says,
it could be like saying
you're catching up for twins on the level.
Something like that.
For us. Of course, the obiligbo 9 day for inside the building. Two of them solid men with for inside the level. I know say my men like them J1 now, all of them they listen because I don't tell the crowd say our men don't bust the entire inside the studio. But the one where I want play where we say they sweet me, and the one where we say not be saying that they get the song, but when you say somebody where we say no they sing inside the song, but in bring one person say I must sing when I must sing inside the song, you know what it is they look for. But the only thing way actually can confuse me for this song. I know say 9 song go, but now them sing inside them, now the title. The first time I see this song, I say, Gra Gra don't come again. But why I bring this smell with who grant for the East? He can't name him Yoruba name Owoni Koko. I beg for the lost me for the cause. I want to ask this matter before I turn a social media handle where they actually they confuse me. When I kind of sound, because I don't see what I do with J1, I see what I do with like Gaga and some other people when I don't actually do it. That to mention a few, I find I say on a sound, anybody will actually want to collaborate with now. From my own expectation, I just believe say they get to blend entire on a kind of sound. So I got the one that say you kind of sound, which kind of collabo person to say go fit your song collabo because the reason Organ Network say in the parable man wise man we call him Organ Network and they look at Patoranking and they look at Adekule Gold. This time my own opinion. I don't know about you guys. One of you hit the studio. What be that thing? We go make una talk so about for this industry now. And also they get the Joe Boy Fireboy. Which people go feel bring the meat, put the sauce, the curry inside the kind genre of music when they do.
The organic talk that you just mentioned.
Please, I want you to work with him.
Yeah, we have done a.
It don't
song.
come out.
Yeah.
Okay.
I think that was last year, right? That pandemic time.
Okay.
God, I beg.
Oh God. Okay. Yes. Okay.
Yeah. Our guy. Pato Ranking. We had a joint song that we did with him. And
the bunch, okay.
Gaga, Larry Gaga.
Now during that pandemic time too.
Yeah. No, ending of last year.
Okay, it's small away from the pandemic time. Another part, you shop a lot of things come up for people. What are people like? Okay, more just leave out like that. Since we talk about, tell me the kind of people will be say go blend with your sound.
To me, we don't have a particular sound, as in the kind of sound that we are doing. Anybody can vibe to it.
So like somebody like Tiwa Savage or somebody like Niniola, if they say okay, they won't bring their own vibe, when I go fit blend in because that sound not be.
Sure, of course we can. Yeah, sure.
They run that matter like that.
Of course.
Okay, no problem. Then I want to ask another question. We say this on a social media handle. It don't confuse me right from time. I know say when you say you want put the obiligbo right for the spelling. How many Twitter handles you now get? Because now lately, I just say you get one. On your personal, your brother, you get one.
No, just one. Obiligbo Global.
So the other ones, Suka, not Bonagata.
No, be
So not Bonagata, those or that. People just they use your name today. Cash crew.
That kind of thing.
Now wow. So right now, it's good as I want to talk this thing because now social media time we day, and of course you see say all our social media guys they're full inside the studio here. This one are the people they carry onto the world. We talk say now, if we say there's no umu for on social media, especially for what they call them for IG. So what is on IG social media handle now?
Okay, my name is my own is Akunwafo Obiligbo.
That is your own,
my own handle,
personal IG handle. I know, so no problem. You okay?
Mine was Obiligbo.
Okay, but
and our fan page is Obiligbo Global.
Okay, Obiligbo Global.
Yeah.
Underscore no day. Underscore day for the end. You know, say they follow and they do the research, you know. Yeah, sure. So your own personal day, but when it comes to the music as the songs of Obiligbo, you now just put that level for that Obiligbo Global underscore. Yeah. Because people really need to go to that place where they follow now for the level. Now, you know, since 2012, when I do that 15 minutes songs and everything, I won't ask one question because I know say get one particular song we say now our latest song where they call Zambololo, and I really want to know whether they get some albums or some EPs when I don't run after that time before when I say Flavor come down and when I don't run maybe like one or two since that time.
Yes, sure. After that our first album, 2012, we did another album 2014.
Okay.
Another one 2015.
Now see all those 15 minutes.
And another one 2017. Before we met Flavor.
So when I started to do normal, what I mean normal tracks, when I going to do short track EP. I'm willing to bet say that 2014, that 2015, and maybe 2017. Now those are tracks we be saying now about 15 minutes. One they give them for East that long minute. So but now when I never do any album.
No, we have done.
Which one be that? We get those 3 minutes.
Yeah, sure.
Which one is
that?
Signature. When that one come out?
November last year.
November. Yeah. Okay. Now after how many tracks did that one?
About 10
tracks. Yeah. So now since November till now, that one don't come out. This Zambololo now a different. You know, they inside that album. It's just a single one I bring come out. Yeah. Okay, of course, those of you that they listen, you know what you would do right now, and I want to give you that opportunity to follow them, talk live and direct. Obiligbo, the day for inside the building here and now. 0700 1000 102. I call them again 0700 1000 102 or 081 82 120734. You know, see they go now. You know, so when they call, that person they call that bass boss. Now the line they do for in the up. So if you not get us, you say, oh, I don't try. Bust it entire side. What is up? What is up? Now be 09082 858887. That one not be called. That one have to just text just in case you did try. But if you want to call us live inside the studio, now 0700 1000 102 or 081 82 12 0734. I know say a lot of them go like call us inside the studio, and of course you know the number to call direct inside the studio here. Now 0700 1000 102. Somebody there for my line and hello.
Hello.
I greet you.
Yeah, this is Osam Oteli.
We greet you. You are welcome to the Lee Temple. Who be this one?
Yeah. My name is Kosi. Calling for Lagos Island.
Okay, you are very much welcome. Talk to the brothers. Them they inside the building.
Yeah, first of all, first time caller.
You be first time caller. And now you know talk since. I don't know want to do this matter, but we're supposed to give you the trick buzzer for the level. You know understand?
Yeah. Obiligbo, now my guy. One of my guys for Eastern side.
On the mode, dalo.
I dey hail you people, and I dey do well for the industry.
Dalo so much. Dalo.
Yeah, I remember you the first day you enter Umoji. Yeah, on the Popo Garden.
Yeah.
Yeah.
2016, right?
Yeah, I hear you.
Yeah.
That I the hustle for that time. So the boss is coming outside.
Yeah.
All right, thank you so very much. And as I said, the first caller don't come. We got like 5 or 6 more calls to go. I'm not gonna lie you. 0700 100102 or 08182120734. Of course, don't forget say yes. If you say Boston enter say our WhatsApp number now 09082858887. If you leave your message for there for inside the WhatsApp, made for the loss. And of course, OTB don't talk cameraman this studio, love is sporting. And of course, somebody here, it's a good evening, Sam, OTB, hello, Umubulibo for studio 62s from Abule Gba. And of course, we get there for inside the level, making for no loss, make for no cost score. They greet us for here. They say we greet to Gra Gra FM. They say thanks for Umubulibo special on Onisha Finest. I will listen song with flavor and a blast. And of course, Sadre Specs collection from IB City. And who we get again for here? He say yes, Osabli and Oscar B from Sweden. I beg, help me heal Umubulibo. There's a new song, Dambololo. Did they finish work for here or did they finish work? This one from the abroad and I'm from Sweden. No, we leave this song. We're there, yeah. We'll plan with the CI here to the hut. No time. And of course, we get again say good evening, the Gra Gra Masters. This now 042 guys. Oh, sorry, I say these 2 042 guys from the studio are correct G's. Umubulibo and the Filuna guys inside my office. Udinaka from Ketu, but I'm from Enugu State. So you guys are very much welcome. Who we get again for inside here? Say good evening, Nigeria FM family. Chinne Yewa from Ojota. My love, Umubulibo. Too much. Name. Say Oga. Is right to the language. Yeah, I don't fit to speak like that. You forgive me. And of course, it say, I beg every time Umubulibo that I love them both. They are too much. Much blessing from here for Enugu. This is Ezegu Obina David. And who will get again for here? Say greetings to Sam and OTB and Umubulibo. I greet you. I greet you now. I love our music featuring flavor. Money is the root of all evil, but I give you money, you collect time. I greet you now, Ermosele Joseph from Urele. People love you from all over the world. Of course, we got people from Sweden, America, from from Italy, and of course people from inside Warri, Do. The thing now be say, not be the language again. Yeah. You understand me? You have to go. It not be the language again. Now the music, that the flavor. With the music they give the crowd for the level ahead. So if you say even some of my Edo brothers say they holla, say they like the matter. And of course those of you that we want call, don't still forget that 0700 100102 or 08182120734. We're there for inside the studio here. Somebody there for a line. I greet you. Good evening. Hello, we there? Yeah.
Yeah, good evening.
Yeah, who be there for a line?
Now you come from Mushi.
Okay, talk to Umubulibo a bit.
Yeah, this is going to oh, that age.
Udo, the one that came away.
Udo,
Inubella call shop before.
Huh?
Inubella call shop before. Okay, no worry.
No,
Udo, the agam.
Okay, well done.
Well done.
All right, thank you. No, Nigeria FM speak your language. You speak everybody here because my crowd when they come now fear. Somebody there here say I go ask a question. I'll push that question to you for the level. This one has 6 tools from Abule Egba. What did they talk? It talks well. My question for Umubulibo say number 1. What is your favorite moment?
My favorite moment.
Yes, now what will be your favorite moment? Oh, you cannot remember. No one for 6 years now. Questionnaire guy. Sabi ask question. I mean, you want to take over your favorite moment? Where be that now? Favorite moment with the sweet now? Maybe I say like 60,000 people appear for stage, or like, somebody giving her like $2 million.
Yeah, once we're on stage, everything is fun. That's my.
But which will be that? Which will be that favorite stage? You'll be say. It be like you not be say it be like you push shirt. Now you give them say you push shirt.
No, we know the push shirt because we know get 6 pack.
But the matter. A second question they go like this. Say describe yourself in 3 sentences.
I'm a cool guy, and I don't get problem. I don't get issues, and I'm a hardworking guy.
What of you? What you gonna describe yourself?
I'm a cool guy. I don't talk too much. Yeah.
I notice. You know, since I don't live, I notice one person, one out of the two people, one person they talk, the other person know the two they talk. You all live on. You know, understand? What will be the second one? Will be you?
Okay. I'm a happy guy.
Yeah.
Once everything is moving well, I will be always happy.
Yeah, sure.
Okay. All right, then, of course, we'll just take this third one. This one, advice to upcoming artists. You know, so that don't take for the game now.
Yeah. So my only advice is, number one, patience.
Okay.
When we started this journey, 2012, nobody knows
Yeah, at all.
Yeah.
Nobody knows now.
We never quit. We keep on pushing, not until everything went as we have been playing.
Okay.
I believe that anything will go happen. Yeah. Na time it go take. So no be saying na your first single and na your first album go blow you.
Not be lie.
Sometimes music is all about trial. It might not be okay with the first one, second one, the third one might be the highest song on earth.
Yeah.
So let's just take everything easy.
Okay.
That's the only thing.
Tell us more about this Zambololo. When I get this Zambo, the name self. Well, I know you say not be Nigeria, not be Igbo. I don't know whether that's South Africa. Which language be that Zambololo? Because I go plan after we come back from this market we went out. But I want to know. Talk to us about Zambololo.
Now, one of my Ghana friend into the talk dance and bololo.
Yeah. Charlie, apart from Charlie, what did they talk?
Now he be like saying like his own lamba, that kind of thing. Yeah, Zambololo means everything is okay, everything is fine. When I ask him, what's in the happen now, he go be like Zambololo, my guy, So everything is okay.
Just like Hakuna Matata.
Yeah, something like that.
So another new slang when I bring all the time, so Zambololo.
I don't like as I hear this one just now the dance drum and Nigeria, but something just hit on my head. I don't know that they don't ask now because first I actually they listen to the interviewers at the drive they come. Not be twins, but when I see the yell now, they remind me of those two brothers who be twins, so even saying they don't go separate now, so you understand? Which is Peter and Paul, P Square. And that year when Peter and Paul they their voice, they hardly they know which one be Paul, which one be Peter until it can't happen. So I don't know. You get who among of now? Maybe say they take lead vocals pass or they usually how they call it now? Get your own verse, then maybe do chorus together. How they do one? Because right now, as I talk to you, so now just my face that they see, I don't know the difference in my voice.
Okay, I'm the lead vocalist. While him get the harmonies. The whole chorus. All the backups.
And the way. For the background.
No, besides, sometimes I go fit into the difference. So, but at least make a jaw ass, make Bella my jaw calm down.
And then we still get so many people for inside the level, and of course, say please make Osadebe remake Osadebe popular song. Okay, we go look into them. I love obiligbo. My best is Owoni Dana, the one way this guy do. Dana Claire Ugochi. And of course, good evening. I love you guys. Patrick from Asaba. Of course, another person say yes. So obiligbo, I love Una, but I did miss Una long track. So Dana, those are 15 minutes. Yeah. And of course, I was saying, good evening. I'm so excited to hear obiligbo in this studio. Their song always has a message for everyone. Just keep up the good work. Chisom from Ikpaja. And of course, we get again and say, well, help me tell obiligbo say I love them. Their song they give me joy. And of course, we get people with the first at the level. I remember no verse. I don't feel read all of our message finish because the torrent of messages is overwhelming. The love I can't stand. It's too much. And of course, we get greetings to my brothers over there. Those guys are too much. I love their music. This is Uche Chuku from Shomolu area. And we'll just do like one more megahertz. So you guys are the best we have in the business. I appreciate you now. Keep it up. Meanwhile, my song is titled Ike. He say he gets his song for Amazon. The guy just say make he had the own joy.
You know why?
Was market it.
You know why?
Yeah, that's 0700 1000 102. Bless somebody for online. We'll take like two more calls.
Hello, good evening. Who did that?
Hello, good evening. What you do? How you doing?
I do. Who be this?
Now the Igbo sister from I know Abuja girl. Hi, sir, Abuja.
Abuja is cool.
We thank God. Your brother's there for inside studio. Yatago.
Hey, who will believe?
KJ.
She bust about.
That was so much,
I don't have much to say, but I have to go in and make the secret because you see me get on.
Jojo, you change,
give us so.
You give us the real local girl.
You go to the roots.
I don't be saying what I beg.
Thank you so much. That one when she talk a trip me. You don't say I never for one day I think you say you talk just speak that people like that.
No, he's speaking.
The shopper they talk the thing come up.
He's speaking for more obiligbo. You know why?
I beg you for the last 0700 1002. Who they for line?
Or farmer not
6-2-7-2. You don't.
Yeah, good evening, my brother.
As in, some of our song, I let's say, I love all that. And the one way of some I don't think before. Well, don't forget it, but that was a massive thing. So I need to love the song. Now, when I keep reading, you know, say, as I come, now, when I go come again now.
Come where?
When I say, when more people go come our station again now.
I made a finish you.
When they go, so they never go finish. That's what they go.
All right, thank you very much, man, for the last
6-2.
sir. You said you too much. All right, 0700 100102. Just get less than 4 minutes to go for inside this interview. But you know, as the matter they go now, if you call us, and of course, you don't say they talk to the man, the one and only, the two and only obiligbo for inside the building, inside the studio for Naija FM 102.7. They go now hot for land to say yes, this now Naija FM. I see the hot. Good evening. We greet you resplendently with the phone line. Hello.
Good evening.
Good evening. No. Go be this one line. Hello.
Felicia.
Oh, Felicia, that be your name?
Yes.
Where they call us from, sister?
I come from Kano.
Okay, from Kano. Talk to obiligbo abeg.
Okay.
Now they hear her. Oh, yeah, talk.
Come again. Udo, I don't man. Dalu so much, God bless you.
They say Dalu something to you for the matter. One more call, make it for no loss left for the minute blessings work. Keep monkey shoot them on fly. 0700 1000 102 obiligbo for inside the building with Sam and OTB Gra Express Lagos. Naija FM 102.7. That's every day. Very, very important.
Hello, good evening. Hello, good evening.
Evening. Except you're in the abroad.
Depends on where you come from, Sha. What's it be your name, bros?
My name is Solid Man.
Solid Man. Which side you come from? Amukoko. Okay. Solid Man. Hey, Solid Man, where they inside studio?
I go up for.
One more. Get away.
You don't do that.
High star, huh? Dalo.
Say don't want to hear on music. Where you been to hear the music before, brother?
I don't know before.
Okay. We know. You get why? Okay, we're not going to hear your this way, but thank you so very much. And of course, I want to say thank you to the brothers who they come inside the building. But before we really go, I get one question I want to ask you now, because right now, like say some people for East, they're not too happy with the level, but men must grow. I remember the last time where I see when I off air, that last time when I come, I ask when I say, are you guys in Lagos now? Because I don't know whether this one will be saying I want to do like one or two people. Even Flavor will not be with the clear eye like they call Lagos. You understand? Because Lagos now where the whole market is for the come out. So I know say anybody will want do any full-time collab or anything with you, with una both, you get to come east, bring una come here. So the question now be say, we're going to see more of una for Lagos, or una wants to do this una east Lagos shortly or anything.
No, waiting the carriers go east. Not sure.
So una they try tell us say una dey Lagos.
Sure, we did Lagos.
So anytime where they want soon immediately talk to your my people will talk to your people will talk to my people, they'll soon live for Lagos. So no matter, because I know a lot of people when they listen right now, I'm not gonna lie you, this is on Nigeria FM, a lot of promoters, a lot of corporate sponsors, a lot of people they listen, and when it comes to they won't begin to choose artists when they talk saying nah Abuja day. Abuja self, I will take this. Now east today. Now wow, before we reach that east come. But as now dey Lagos. When I talk now, when I say market.
Yeah, sure. Now Lagos we did.
Lagos.
Yeah, I don't want another distance. So as it been, I'm not like say loss, or I'm like say swagbe monkey or monkey should be my fly. You get any other thing we on bless say when I want tell us any project what they expect, especially now we be say at least we don't try to they put the COVID under control and events don't they come up. Anything what would they expect from obiligbo between now and December?
Of course, we are working on something. Something very powerful.
Powerful,
Sure,
power on
powerful.
them like that.
Very
but the
powerful.
muscle. Let her go. And what thing I go like when I talk again now, just based on that social media again, because I know say all the ladies and everybody they won't come to that social. Una don't marry.
No.
So why do you marry a bad thing?
No, be say about.
Now this boy, so they just say no. Anyway, I know wala. Now I want make you tell us that your this thing again, I beg.
Okay, my own is Akunwafo Obiligbo.
Okay, and you now.
Yeah, Obuozo Obiligbo.
And together that one what they call it, wait it.
Our fan page.
No, the fan page.
Okay, Obiligbo Global.
But that
_
Obiligbo Global _ Now they manage the page by now.
No, we get person where they manage.
But now official.
Yeah,
Where they
sure.
say the fans feel go there to find out
Yes,
more.
so, yeah,
That's
yeah.
Obiligbo Global _.
Facebook. Obiligbo Global.
Okay, that's Facebook or Facebook. Yeah. That I go. All right, I want to say a big very thank you.
My own say, I'm not going to feature like maybe Obiligbo brothers just come, just go. We're not going to feed the original matter. That is unplugged version. You understand?
Uncut.
I bet Mona bless us with something.
Give us something more here. Give us something.
My pastor they tell me say money is the root of all evil. Money is the root of evil. But I gave you money, you collect them. I gave you dollar, you collect them. Money is the root of evil. But you know they reject the money. Yes, so my people.
So, all our people there for Inside of Water. Thank you so much, Obiligbo. So now come for Inside Gra Gra Express to Osama and OTB. And of course, this is another song where we say you get to go out there. At least you do on all streaming platform now. This is Zambololo Abi.
Yeah,
the pick up am there, see the hot. When I collect them, no time. We're balling.
You there on top the original Naija FM 102.7. We radio.